Hi, welcome to Boss Digit class. Today we will talk about possessive nouns, especially talking about apostrophe S in family for primary three. Welcome to Boss Digit class. Best of service. Let's start. Okay, so what is the possessive apostrophe? Possessive apostrophe is something that we use to talk about ownership. So who does it belong to, right? So for example, how about this one? Tom and his cousin Anna. So Anna is whose cousin? Tom's cousin, right? Tom's cousin. Next, here we have Rena and her aunt Mary. Mary is whose aunt? That's right. Rena's aunt. And Rena is Aunt Mary's niece. That's right. Okay. You can pause the video if you want to answer yourself. So next, Ben and his uncle Ted. Ted is whose uncle? Ted is whose uncle? That's right. Ben's uncle. Ben is what? What is Ben? Uncle Ted's what? Uncle Ted's nephew. That's right. Here we use apostrophe S, right? Apostrophe S, like this. Okay, next. Robbie and his sister Tia. Tia is whose sister? Robbie's sister. That's right. And Robbie is whose brother? Whose brother? That's right. Tia's brother. Because they're brother and sister, they are siblings. They're called siblings. Okay, let's take a look at this family tree. Tara is Tim's what? First, step one. What do we need to do? Step one, we need to find Tara. And then, step two, we need to find Tim. Okay, so here we can see in the family tree, Tara is Tim's what? Tim apostrophe S sister. Tara is Tim's sister, right? Okay, now you do it. Pause the video if you need more time. Susie is Joko and Maya's what? Okay, let's find Susie, step one. Okay, we found her. And then let's find Joko and Maya. We found them. So, Susie is Joko and Maya's what? Were they? Maya's daughter, right? So they are daddy, mommy, and they have a daughter. Mommy, Maya, and daddy Joko. They have a daughter, Susie, and then they have a granddaughter, right? Joko and Maya, grandpa and grandma. They have grandchildren, grandson and granddaughters. Okay, next. Let's move on. Tony, right? Is Nyla and Sona's what? Find Tony. Find Nyla and Sona. Yeah, Tony here, Nyla and Sona. Look at the relationship. What is this? That's right. Tony is Nyla and Sona's uncle, right? Uncle. Next. Take a look. Nala is Tim, Tara, and Taya's what? Find Nala. Find Tim and Tara and Taya. That's right. Nala is their what? Nala is their auntie, right? Aunt. Next. Let's take a look. Tim, Tara, and Taya are Nyla and Sona's what? Find Tim, Tara, and Taya. Found. Find Nala and Sona. Found them. So they are what? They are Nyla and Sona's cousins, right? Cousins with S. Next. Let's take a look. Tim is Sony and Nala's what? Find Tim. Find Sony and Nala. That's right. Tim is Sony and Nala's what? That's right. Nephew. Okay, next. Next one. Nyla is Susie and Tony's what? Find Nyla. Done. Find Susie and Tony. Susie and Tony found. Nyla is Susie and Tony's what here? Let's check. Niece. That's right. Nyla is Sony and Nala's what? Find Nyla. Found her. Find Sony and Nala. Found them. Nyla is Sony and Nala's what? That's right. Sonia and Nala's daughter, right? Not niece because it's their daughter. Direct line here. And then next, almost to the end. Tim is Tony and Susie's what? Find Tim. Found him. Find Tony and Susie. Tony and Susie found. Okay. Tony and Susie's what? Tim is Tony and Susie. That's right. Tony and Susie's son. Okay. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Goodbye.